Hi friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel, The Matvet. Before I start with each case one by one, I would like to share with you some common terms what we use in veterinary dermatology. First is alopecia. Alopecia is nothing but partial or complete loss of hairs. This is a term which we will be using very often in our day-to-day cases. Then atopy, canine atopy dermatitis. This is nothing but an allergic skin infection caused by environmental antigens. So we have learned two words. First is alopecia and the other one is atopy. Now we will talk about another word called as cyst. Cyst is nothing but an epithelium lined cavity containing fluid or solid material. This is the cyst. We always observe some cyst on the body of the dog. So that cyst is nothing but an epithelium lined cavity containing a fluid or solid material. If we touch, we can understand, we can feel that. How is a cyst? Accordingly, we can come to know about the diagnosis and the treatment part. Now, dermatitis. It is that everybody knows what is dermatitis. Dermatitis is nothing but inflammation of the skin caused by various reasons, and it is characterized by redness or itchiness. Now, epithelium is the outer layer of the skin is called as epithelium. Now, hyperketosis. It is hypertrophy of the horny layer of the epidermis is called as hyperketosis. Now, otitis. Otitis is nothing but inflammation or infection of the ears of the dog is called as otitis. Now, pododermatitis. What is pododermatitis? It is the inflammation of the skin on the paws, causing paw licking and redness between the toes, which is very common in atopic dermatitis. So it is called as pododermatitis. What is pruritus? Pruritus is nothing but itching on the skin of the dog is called as pruritus. Now pustules, very common term, pustules. Elevated area of the skin filled with purulent material is called as pustules. Then pyoderma, an infection of the skin that produces pustules and flaky area is called as pyoderma. It is an infection of the skin caused due to pustules and makes flaky. The area becomes flaky. Now seborrhea. This is also a very common term used. What is seborrhea? Seborrhea is nothing but flaky skin that has been greasy or dry due to an underlying irritation or a skin disease. It's called as seborrhea. Now these are various terms. Some more terms are there, but we'll take them one by one. And now I am signing off with you. Thank you so much. Keep watching Derma Vet. Thank you so much.